If you are a coach or a creator and you've been wanting to create a new digital product to sell for months or even for years, then I have something for you. Hi, I'm Shika. I'm a former counselor and now I create premium done for you coaching tools with PLR, private label, right? So that you can sell them to your audience. And today, the reality is that your clients, your audience, many people actually are likely to be very stressed out and overwhelmed, especially if they are juggling many responsibilities. And I think that includes us as well. We are all likely carrying this huge mental backlog of tasks, unmade decisions, worries, and even ideas which we have not acted upon. And these can be draining our mental energy in a very quiet manner. And you want to offer something to your audience, to the people you work with, a practical tool which can calm that overwhelm and also give them more mental clarity and be more present in their day-to-day life so that they can make better decisions and just feel good about life in general. But of course, to create a tool or a workbook or anything from scratch is very time consuming and also very energy consuming. And if you are running a business and you are juggling many things on your own, you may not have the energy or the time to create something new to sell or offer to your audience. And that's exactly why I created this Brain Dump Workbook, which is a done for you, fully editable 20-page workbook that helps clear their mental backlog in 10 minutes. And it can walk your audience or your clients through a quick mental check in. There is a time brain dump exercise and also a 4-step sorting system for them to figure out what they should do, take action on, what they should decide on, what they can delegate or outsource, and also what they can release or let go. And the best part, in my opinion, is that this workbook comes with PLR or private label, right? So you can put your name on it, your logo on it, and sell it as your own. So whether you want to sell this as a low ticket offer or you want to create it as a lead magnet to grow your email list or even to include this in your current existing courses, workshops, or if you have a membership for your coaching business or anything similar like that, you can even conduct a live workshop with this workbook. It's ready for you to use already, and you can repurpose it in many ways. So the link is in the description box. You can check it out. And of course, you would want to see what's inside this workbook before you purchase it. And I'm going to show you what's inside so you can decide for yourself how you can make this work for your business. So let's take a look.